Okay, now your salmon is ready. My hand still got flour on it. It's okay. But now I'm going to put the salmon, which is well done and marinated, in the pot.